Hey hi guys, welcome to Brother Coaching. Today's topic is angular displacement. There are many types of motion around us. We can classify motion into three types: the translational motion, rotational motion, and vibrational motion. As we know, there are different types of motion in which we see object or body moves from one position to another, or moving without change its position. If the body moves in a straight line, then its position changes with respect to time. Or simply we say the body displaces from its initial position. So the difference between the initial point and final point is termed as displacement. But when the body moves in a curved line or in a circular motion, the motion equivalence of displacement is angular displacement. If you want to learn what is displacement, watch my video by clicking on the I button. Now, question in our mind: what is angular displacement? And how we can calculate it? Let us simply understand it with a daily life example. Suppose if you work out in the gym with a dumbbell. You are moving your hand up and down as shown in the animation. Before we go any further into the topic, we have to understand what is meant by rotational motion. When a rigid body is rotating about its own axis, the motion ceases to become a particle. It is so because in a circular path velocity and acceleration can change at any time. The rotation of rigid bodies, or bodies which will remain constant throughout the duration of rotation over a fixed axis, is called rotational motion. Now the angle formed between the initial position of the arm to the final position of the arm is called angular displacement. One thing notices guys, it is rotational motion. For example, if a dancer dancing around a pole does one full rotation, his or her angular rotation will be 360 degrees. On the other hand, he or she makes half a rotation, the displacement will be 180 degrees. It is a vector quantity, which means that it has both magnitude and direction. For example, a displacement of 360 degrees clockwise is very different from 360 degree counterclockwise. Now it can be measured by using a simple formula. The formula is theta is equal to S by R, where is the angular displacement, and S is the distance traveled by the body, and R is the radius of a circle along which it is moving. There are two methods to find angle: radian and degrees method. 2 pi radian equals 360 degrees. As we know, the SI unit of displacement is a meter. But as the angular displacement involves curvilinear motion, SI units of angular displacement are radian or degrees. If you want to learn what is an angle and how it can be measured through degree and radians method, there is a playlist in which you completely understand the concept. Watch these video by clicking on the I button, or I will give link in the description box. As we learned how to find the angular displacement, now the another way to find the angular displacement through angular position. Suppose if θ1 is initial angular position and θ2 is the final angular position. Now we can easily find the angular displacement. The delta theta is equal to θ2 minus θ1. The angles measured clockwise are negative, and angles measured counterclockwise are positive. Mostly theta measured in radians. I hope you understand what is angular displacement and how we calculate it. Bye guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please share it with your friends. Also subscribe to our channel for watching basic science videos and more.